I would like to mention mastocytosis. This is also one of the very rare conditions. And although in most of the patients, this is a benign condition, we call it indolent systemic mastocytosis. And remember, muscles are spread throughout the body, including the bone marrow, where they have different functions. We usually simplify and say this is part of the native immune system defense. If muscles are active, you have allergic type of reactions. But there is a small group of people that have advanced or aggressive mastocytosis where life is shorter because the mastocytosis affects the organ function. And in this setting, we have a good evidence of developing of a specific medication called Avapritinib that is targeting underlying biological problem. Most of the people, 95% of people with advanced mastocytosis have a mutation in a gene called KIT. This is KIT D816V mutation that becomes a protein, and inhibitor of that protein is Avapritinib. Highly, highly effective, appears to be relatively safe, and we have a couple of presentations on it in ASH presentations, and I would hope that next year we will have an application for its approval as a therapy for mastocytosis.